Alrighty, so I gotta record this at home because as I was trying to record at the drive-thru, immediately a car pulled up, so I didn't want to block them needlessly. So here we have the hot dogs, chili dog, chili cheese dog, Chicago dog, junkyard dog, kraut dog, corn dog, mini corn dogs, green chili corn dog. Oh, come on. Wow, seriously? I didn't have any of the burgers. I didn't realize I had burgers. Double chili cheeseburger. Yum. Sandwiches. I don't know why I guess they have a hot Polish sandwich. So basically just hot dogs on bread. That's funny. Let's see. Combos. 2 corn dogs. Yeah, I just got fries and the dog, but wow, 6 with 3 fries. Dang. Snacks and fries. Jalapeno poppers. So it's the menu. Yeah, drinks. I didn't know they had breakfast too. Breakfast burritos. Huh. Let's see if they have anything about... No, I don't want your frickin' cookies, you jerks. Let's see. So according to Wikipedia here, Wienerschnitzel was founded in 1961. There are a lot of locations in California, but there's only 2 in Washington, like I said. No. Yeah, 61 years the place has been open. I didn't know they had so many locations in California. Oh, well. Alrighty, so I actually shot the footage you're going to see about 5 days ago. I shot it on my last day off, and I found out later, after the fact, it wasn't actually, it was a kind of a big chain. But what threw me off is, in Washington State, there's only 2 locations, so bit of a oops this week, but like I said, it wasn't intentional, so sorry about that. Either way, hope you enjoyed the video. Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm at a place that I've only eaten at one time before, and I have absolutely no idea if this is a chain or not. And it's a Wienerschnitzel. I guess better logo on the back. They might be a chain, I don't know, but got some French fries. Pretty standard fries. I like that they're not overly thick. I got a seagull staring at me outside. Probably throw the guy a French fry here in a bit. Right. Here's the box. I got the chili cheese dog. It was totally a spur of the moment stop, but not bad. There's a close-up of the dog. All right, got a corn dog too. Nothing really fancy about it. Almost looks like one of the ones you could buy in the store. They just deep fried it, but of course I like mustard on mine. There you go. See, I got a bunch of fans. Flocking around me. Throw them a few French fries and they're your friend. Well, there you go. Probably just a quick video. Wienerschnitzel. Not too bad. You know, fries are okay. The food was okay. I can't say I was exactly ecstatic about it, but yeah, it was alright. I wasn't really even planning on stopping. I just happened to be rolling by and I thought, oh hey, I haven't been to one of those in a long time. Anyway, as always, I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one.